Hi friends, greetings from Om Namah Shiva. You are welcome to my channel Gas, Oil and Water. Now I am going to present on OWG Part 4. Previously we understand Part 1, Fossil Fuels, Part 2, Geological Survey, Seismic Survey, Formation of Reservoir, Part 3, Drilling and Transporting to Gathering Station. Now from Gathering Station to Midstream. Midstream has vital role between upstream and downstream. Before going to midstream, I want to say something about common installations and pipelines in upstream, downstream, midstream, even sometimes in refineries also. See this is called MIJ, monolithic isolation joint. The purpose of this monolithic isolation joints provide electrical isolation between segments of line pipe. As the name implies, a monolithic isolation joint appears as a solid black. You can see this figure, solid black. It can seem a simple piece of equipment because it has no moving parts and is supplied by the vendors full assembled and ready to weld into the pipeline. Once the pipeline is completed, from the wellhead pad to gathering station, the wellhead line will be connected to the launcher. Near the launcher, they will weld this isolation joint. You can see this, what is launcher? This is called pig launchers. Pig launchers means high plane inspection gauging. So they use different gauges during inspection. That we will discuss later in specific trainings. Now the purpose of this receivers, as I told you, for inspection, it will be installed in launcher and receiver. Launcher in the sense where we are going to send fluid from wellhead to another location or gathering station. In the gathering station end, there will be a receiver. You can see this like this. This assembly you can see. Receiver and launcher. This is HIPS, High Integrity Pressure Protection System. This is also installed in gathering stations because in order to provide pressure protection of pipelines, piping, vessels and process packages against overpressure, allowing the use of lower design pressure downstream the HIPS. Then the reason most of the places they will install this HIPS. Now, these are called corrosion coupons. It will be available in different shapes. Corrosion coupon is an inline intrusive corrosion monitoring device used widely in oil and gas assets. It's the most important thing. This can be generic carbon steel or may be selected to match the material used for specific purpose or specific pipelines. For example, X65 pipeline steel or welded conduits. Any corrosion coupon should be certified by recording in its serial number, weight in grams, dimensions, material, and surface finish. Corrosion coupons are installed to duplicate the corrosion rate experienced in piping, pipelines, or vessels. They can also be used to estimate the effectiveness of the mitigation program in place or evaluate the suitability of specific material for a specific system. Just go through the slides. Is it clear what I explained? Now come to the midstream. What we have discussed today about corrosion coupons, isolation joint, pig launcher and receiver. These are the common equipments or parts in oil and gas industry, downstream, midstream, and upstream. Midstream provides a vital link between upstream and downstream. Midstream gathers oil and gas from various oil wells and storages. The activities includes processing, transporting, and storage. This is what exactly will happen in the midstream area. See these pictures. They can transport by road, by rail, by sea. Oil, gas, both can be transported to the customer end. Is it clear? You can see this. Try to understand. Any doubt, go back and once again you review this video. Thank you. Knowledge is asset. Subscribe this channel, share this, like this. Thank you very much.